And then you are wearing many hats for SIS right now. Could you tell us your official title and then your day-to-day activities?
Yeah, many hats, right? Seems like all of us nowadays are doing that. But in essence, I'm the senior client success manager. So my job, my role, my focus, primary focus is helping our clients become successful with the solutions that they're using on our behalf, right? Whether it's different software components, it could be anything from data management. Now we're getting in the weeds a little bit about Team Center or Solid Edge, right? 2D, 3D, CAD CAM solutions, NX, simulation solutions like FEMAP, Star CCM Plus. So really my job is to make sure that they're maximizing the tools that they have and also educating them on enhancements and new features and functions that are being presented from our friends at Siemens as it relates to how can we help them better their optimization? How can we help them better control costs? How can we help them become more efficient with their workflows, right? Right? Maybe it's cloud collaboration. Maybe it's a solution around, a finite time constraint on usage of a simulation tool, right? Maybe you only need it for 6 months or a year for a specific project. You now have those capabilities to leverage that kind of SaaS model to fit specifically what you're doing and how you're looking to utilize the tool. So that's primary one.